Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of curd, a versatile and nutritious food that you might already have in your kitchen. This kitchen staple can transform your health and beauty routine from the inside out. From delicious recipes to skincare tips, curd has so much to offer. Ready to unlock the power of this nutritional powerhouse? We'll explore its benefits, uses, and why it should be a part of your daily routine. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's talk about gut health, something super important for your overall well-being. Curd is a natural probiotic, packed with good bacteria that your gut needs to thrive. These friendly bacteria help break down food, improve nutrient absorption, and fight off digestive issues. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and curd can be a powerful ally. By promoting a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, curd helps strengthen your body's natural defenses. Want strong, healthy bones and teeth? Curd is a fantastic source of calcium. It also contains phosphorus, which works with calcium to keep your skeletal system in shape. Maintaining a healthy weight is something many of us strive for, and curd can be a valuable ally in this journey. Not only is it delicious, but it also offers numerous health benefits that can support your weight management goals. Curd can prevent the buildup of cortisol, a hormone linked to weight gain. High cortisol levels can lead to increased fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Plus, the protein in curd helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Reducing cravings and preventing overeating becomes easier with curd in your diet. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to include this nutritious food. Ready for some skincare secrets? Curd is amazing for your skin too. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties help fight acne, reduce inflammation, and combat fungal infections. Nobody wants premature wrinkles, and curd can be your secret weapon. Packed with antioxidants, curd protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This helps prevent premature aging, keeping your skin smooth and youthful. Dark spots and blemishes got you down? Curd to the rescue! Curd's lactic acid gently exfoliates, revealing brighter, more even-toned skin. Dandruff can be embarrassing, but curd is a natural remedy. Its antifungal properties combat the root cause of dandruff. Massage curd onto your scalp, leave it on, then shampoo as usual for a flake-free scalp. A healthy heart is essential, and curd can support your cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of curd can help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol. By managing cholesterol levels, curd contributes to a healthier heart. In today's fast-paced world, stress is unavoidable. Some research suggests that the probiotics in curd may have mood-boosting effects. These probiotics may influence neurotransmitter production, helping you find calm and balance. High blood pressure affects millions worldwide. Curd is naturally low in sodium, which is important for managing blood pressure. The potassium in curd may help relax blood vessel walls, aiding in blood pressure regulation. Curd's calcium content is great for bone health, especially for preventing osteoporosis. Curd's nutrients help slow down bone loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our content. I hope you found this deep dive into the benefits of curd helpful. Curd is not just a tasty addition to your meals, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly boost your health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health content. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging videos for you. So, go ahead and enjoy a delicious serving of curd. Your body will thank you. Remember, a small change in your diet can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.